I'd say the optimal journey for a merchant is one that ends in a conversion. That's what merchants are there to do. And when it comes to online journey hijacking, well, it clearly stops that from happening, right? Unfortunately, what's happening is that journey hijacking is actually siphoning traffic away from the merchant's site. And so by stopping that, you're actually keeping the customers engaged in the buyer journey, and the buyer journey that you worked, the merchant worked so hard to develop and make an excellent customer experience, and now it's being detracted from. And so I think that preventing the journey hijacking is actually helping to deliver the customer experience that was actually intended in the first place. So we see approximately 15 to 25% of sessions actually experiencing the problem. And there's a little bit of seasonality around it. So, during Black Friday, we might see those numbers actually spike above 30%. For travel and transport, it might be more applicable during the holiday periods. But generally speaking, those are the numbers. And that's actually across 2 billion sessions a week that we actually analyze across all of our customers globally. It's a big number. Imagine that, let's say a quarter of your customers are actually experiencing that. Now you can understand why preventing it can actually lift your conversion rates and improve your revenue numbers. I didn't believe it at first. When I first joined the company, I couldn't believe it. I'd never seen it. I was highly skeptical. But once you see it in process, once you do the trial and you run the evaluation and you actually see the phenomena happening on your own site, and you see your competitors actually taking your customers away, it becomes a much more obvious situation, and obviously you need to stop it. So what's interesting is, although the phenomena that we prevent is actually a security-based phenomena, the benefits are purely business benefits. So we actually, by preventing those 15 to 25% of your visitors from leaving your site, they end up staying and converting. So we actually increase conversion rates 2 to 5%. Now, people are fighting hard for points of conversion rate improvement, but by actually lifting the conversion rates, we bring significant value. And that's actually how we price our product. We actually have a return on investment. We target a return on investment in 5 weeks or less. So pay back the solution and the rest of the year is gravy.